In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable editing in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. When you open a PowerPoint presentation, sometimes you might find that it's in read-only mode, which can be frustrating. Don't worry, it's quite easy to enable editing, and I'll walk you through the steps. First, we need to access what's called the Backstage view. To do this, you'll want to locate the File tab. It's situated in the top left corner of your PowerPoint window. Go ahead and click on that. Once you do, you'll see a different screen pop up, which is known as the Backstage view. Now take a look at the vertical menu column on the left-hand side. Here, you're going to select the option that says Info. This section of the menu is crucial because it contains all the information related to your file, including any restrictions on editing. Now that you're in the File Info panel, it's time to move on to accessing the protection properties. Look for the block that says Protect Presentation. This block should be visible on your right. When you click on this square, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing several security options. Now, here's where you're going to find the setting we need. Look closely for an option called Always Open Read Only. If this option is highlighted or checked, it means your file is currently set to open in read-only mode. But don't worry, we can change this quickly. All you need to do is click on it to uncheck it, and this will lift the editing restrictions immediately. And voila! You should now be able to edit your PowerPoint presentation without any issues. It's a simple process once you know where to look, but it can save you a lot of time trying to figure it out on your own. If you're still having trouble after following these steps, there might be additional settings to consider, such as whether the document is password protected or if you have the necessary permissions to edit it. If that's the case, you might want to reach out to the person who shared the file with you or check if there is a password required to enable full editing capabilities. And that's it. Now, you can get right back to creating and customizing your PowerPoint presentations to suit your needs. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation or just putting together some notes for a meeting, having the ability to edit is crucial. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips like this one. Your support really helps me continue making these instructional videos. Thanks for watching, and happy editing in